My dear students, for class 12th, today it is 17th of September 2020. We are dealing with the human reproduction. In the human reproduction, we have to go through a number of physiological processes also. This is the first chapter, and today we have to go through the gametogenesis. This is a very important process in human reproduction. It is the process of formation and differentiation of haploid gametes, sperms and ova, from the diploid primary germ cells. From the diploid primary germ cells, formation of the haploid gametes. This is the germ cells are 2n. N is the number of chromosomes in each cell, and so far the gametes are concerned, they are haploid, half the number of chromosomes. Gametogonia, they are the diploid primary germ cells. That is, in males they are supermetogonia, and in females they are oogonia. The germ cells in females they are called as oogonia, and in males they are called as supermetogonia. Oogonia and supermetogonia in females and males respectively. They are present in primary sex organs called gonads, testes in males and ovaries in females respectively. The gametogenesis is of two types. In males, the gametogenesis that takes place, that is called as supermetogenesis. And in females, it is called as oogenesis. Supermetogenesis is the formation of sperms which are haploid or the male gametes. Oogenesis is the formation of eggs that are also haploid. Sperms are just this size and eggs are having this size and shape. So far the supermetogenesis is concerned, it is the formation of haploid, microscopic and functional male gametes, supermatozoa, from the diploid reproductive cells, supermetogonia, present in the testes of the male organism. And so far this supermetogenesis is concerned, it is a formation of supermatozoa. That is what we call as the sperms. They are formed from the primary germ cell. They are called as supermetogonia. The supermetogonia are diploid, having 2n number of chromosomes. These are present in the testes of the female reproductive system. In the seasonally breeding animals, the testes undergo testicular cycle, in which the testes and their supermetogenic tissue become functional only in the specific breeding season. So in some seasonally breeding mammals like the bat, like the otter, like the llama, testes enlarge, become functional, and descend into the scrotum in the breeding season has become heavier due to accumulation of sperms, while become reduced to non-functional and ascend into the abdomen in other seasons. But in human male, lion, bull and horse, the testes lie permanently in the scrotum and supermetogenesis occurs throughout the year. In human male, testes descend into the respective scrotal sacs during 7th month of development under the stimulation of testosterone. This is the hormonal control of these functions of the testes or the production of supermatozoa. Testes lie permanently in the abdomen, intra-abdominal, mainly due to presence of blubber, thick fatty layer beneath the skin in the whales and in dolphins. and in elephant, the testes lie permanently in the abdomen, intra-abdominal. In whales, in elephants, the location of the testes is they lie abdominal. They are abdominal in location, that is intra-abdominal, due to the presence of blubber, thick fatty layer beneath the skin. In male humans, spermatogenesis starts only at puberty. Spermatogenesis is a continuous process and is complete in 74 days. So far, the time period of the spermatogenesis is concerned. It is divided into two parts. This process of formation of spermatogenesis, spermatozoa, that takes place during that can be divided into two phases. The first phase, that is the formation of spermatid. Formation of spermatid. The second phase is the what we call as the growth phase, and the first phase is called formation of spermatid, and the second phase of this, what we call as the spermatogenesis, that is called as spermiogenesis. Second is called the spermiogenesis. These are the two phases by which sperms or spermatozoa are formed. Formation of spermatid, that takes place during the mitotic and multiplicative phase, growth phase, maturation or meiotic phase, and spermiogenesis, that forms the sperms which are haploid in nature. This is all about the spermatogenetic process. The other things can be discussed in the later lecture. Thank you.